Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to unblock websites in school on a school Chromebook in 2026. It's simple, fast, and most people watching this video have not seen it yet. You can check the link, and if that's blocked for you already, don't worry. We'll be showing secret links at the top of the screen throughout the video. It's called Space. Once you load it up, click this Get Started button right here to open up the main menu. From here, you can unblock websites in two different ways. You can choose from the listed apps, or if you already know exactly where you're trying to go, just type in the website directly, roblox.com. Hit enter and that's it. No extra steps. But here's something really important, so listen closely. If you're using apps like Snapchat, do not open them by typing in the website name. Instead, always launch them from the apps menu. This will make a big difference with unblocking websites and having them actually be usable. Now, if games are what you are here for, Space already has one of the largest built-in game libraries I've ever seen on his school unblocker. You'll find it on the left sidebar right over here. Just search the game you want, click it, and then you're in. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.